Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you top 5 free SEO tools for Etsy sellers. Now, I know a lot of you want to know what are some of the best free SEO tools for Etsy sellers out there. Now, there are not many tools that are completely free, but there are some tools that are free and they also have a paid plan as well. But I would love to go and show it to you. So first, a tool on this list is called Allura. Now, Allura.io is a great tool. It is the best tool when it comes to free tools because, as you can see, if we go to pricing here, we can see that we have for $0 product and keyword research. So not a single tool on the market has just that. So for free, you can actually go and have keyword research. This is great if you are just starting out. And obviously, if you want to expand, you can go with $19 a month. But for now, for free, you get keyword research and operations and marketing suite in order to get started with your Etsy store. So this is one of the best tools right now on the market. Now, the second tool is called Etsy Hunt. Now, Etsy Hunt is a great tool as well. As you can see, if we go to pricing, we can see that Etsy Hunt also has a free trial right here, which, as you can see, you have product search 10 products daily. You have shop search 10 daily, and then you have shop chart, you have partial shop chart, and then you also have keyword search 10 daily. So this is kind of similar to Allura, although Allura is much better when it comes to this because you have unlimited products that you can go and search for free, absolutely free, obviously per day. Now, as you can see, Etsy Hunt obviously has some limitations, but the basic plan is really good plan. I'm not gonna lie, for $4 a month you get a lot when it comes to $4 a month, which is pretty much nothing for an experienced Etsy seller and also for someone that is just starting out. So that's it for Etsy Hunt. The third on this list is called Sales Samurai, or Sales Samurai. Then here, as you can see, if we go to pricing, we can see that this is coming at a price which is $9 monthly. You can see long tail keywords, listing data. Now, this is not a free SEO tool. Although I did list a couple of free SEO tools, I also wanted to include this one because this one is also a great tool just because it has long tail keywords, listing data, real estate, real Etsy search volume, and then you have tag suggestions as well as shop analytics. And also you have a three-day free trial. So that's also good. So Sales Samurai is obviously just a honorable mention here, but it's also a great tool if you want to go and expand into more unlimited things like unlimited long tail keyword search, listing data, and stuff like that. Now, number 4 is Marmalade. Now, Marmalade is great if you want to get started. They have a 14-day free trial. Obviously, you can try out the free trial. This is, by far one of the best tools for Etsy sellers, but again, it comes at a price. Now, for now, as you can see, for Marmalade, you can get a lot of different things. You can start free trial, obviously. You have a lot of different things that you can do with Marmalade. And as you can see, obviously, annually is $190 if you want just annually. But you can also have one price and get it quarterly as well as monthly right here. So obviously, this is pretty much it, for the Marmalade. And then we also have eRank, which is Marmalade's competition, which is, again, not really a free SEO tool. But again, all these tools, on this list are basically partially free because there is no actual free SEO tool. Although Allura is up there, it is definitely a great tool on this list. Obviously, these are 5 free SEO tools and both paid SEO tools for Etsy sellers. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.